So I'm right here on Main Street and Broadway Avenue, my crosswalk button experience, and this is gonna be my crosswalk video because for you guys. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and hit whatever buttons I'm gonna do. I recommend you do this one first. Yeah, this one doesn't work. Like I recommend like 3 months ago, this one doesn't work. Something's wrong with this, I think. I don't know. And so first we'll be crossing Main Street right here. And we'll be crossing Broadway Avenue because I actually know which street it was. This is Main Street, we'll cross here. And now Broadway Avenue. Somebody, I'm not lying to you. Somebody actually took down the Broadway Avenue sign for no any reason. Maybe a person who took it down or something, or maybe like a hurricane blew it, I don't know. So we'll be crossing Broadway now, but you know, the one in Douglas Avenue, the one in Beltree Street was really nice, I can tell you. But this one still doesn't work. But the one in Beltree Street does work too. So they're like two crosswalks that they're working right now. So the one that's crossed over here and the other one over here. So I recommend, let's see this guy here.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
East.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east. Wait.
Wait. So I recommend these two arrows there. The one that they're like pointing to the left and also on the right side, like, you know.
Broadway Avenue. Walk there, Broadway Avenue. Broadway Avenue. Walk there. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, that's it. I'm gonna see you in a little bit.